Meta has surged plus 4.24% to $622.98. In this video we break down exactly what is driving this move and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Thursday, June 4th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Caution prevails across asset classes. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading lower by minus 0.74%, at $7,553.68. Equity markets are responding to reports that US pre-market, three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. NASDAQ 100 is trading lower by minus 0.29%, at $30,571. Equity markets are responding to reports that RE chip stocks climb as Broadcom earnings approach, go trade. Dow Jones is down minus 1.21%, trading at $50,687. Investor sentiment is being shaped by US pre-market, three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. DAX is trading higher by plus 0.48%, at $25,124. The move follows reports that US pre-market, three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. FTSE 100 is trading lower by minus 0.40%, at $10,332. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Meta surged plus 4.24% to $622.98 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Meta shares climb as RE agent strategy expands beyond advertising, trading view. Nvidia plunged minus 3.62% to $214.75 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that chip stocks 2026, identifying the semiconductor winners versus RE hype barons. Samsung made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.30% to $360,500. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Microsoft plunged minus 3.17% to $427.34 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Microsoft Cloud and RE strength fuels third quarter results, Microsoft source. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that US pre-market, three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Investor sentiment is being shaped by US pre-market, three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. Turning to commodities. Brent crude climbed to $97.86 per barrel, up 1.94% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that US pre-market, three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. WTI crude climbed to $96.20 per barrel, up 2.6% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that US pre-market, three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. Natural gas climbed to $3.25, up 2.78% on the session. The move follows reports that US pre-market, three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead trading key. Gold dipped to $4,462.70 per troy ounce, down 0.59% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold slips as rising oil prices and inflation concerns temper safe haven demand, Yahoo Finance. Let us give you our near-term view on Meta. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $660.36 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, losing 0.29% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, losing 0.31% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 159.97, gaining 0% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to Commission discusses gas and oil supply risks with EU countries as the conflict in the Middle East reaches a 3-month mark. Ec.europa.eu. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post fresh analysis every single morning. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the best ones in future videos. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.